English conversation. Introduce yourself in English. In this video you will listen English conversation between two people. Hi. Hello. What is your name? My name is John. What is your name? I am Nita. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I am from Canada. Where are you from? I am from Japan. How old are you? I am 23. How old are you? I am 27. Where do you live? I live in Canada. Where do you live? I live in Japan, but I am currently living in Colombia. What do you do? Are you a student or do you work? I work at a school. I am a teacher. What do you do? I work at a company. And I am a general manager. What does your father do? My father works at a hospital. He is a doctor. That's great. What do your parents do? My father works at a bank. And my mother is a housewife. How many brothers and sisters do you have? We are 2 brothers and 1 sister. Great. I have just 1 younger sister. What do you like to do in your free time? I like reading books and watching movies. What kind of movies do you like? I like horror and thriller movies. What are your hobbies? I like hanging out with friends and playing video games. Now it's your turn to speak. I will be speaking first-person dialogue and you will be speaking second-person dialogue. Hi. My name is John. What is your name? Nice to meet you too. I am from Canada. Where are you from? How old are you? I am 27. I live in Canada. Where do you live? What do you do? Are you a student or do you work? I work at a company. And I am a general manager. My father works at a hospital. He is a doctor. What do your parents do? How many brothers and sisters do you have? Great. I have just 1 younger sister. I like reading books and watching movies. I like horror and thriller movies. What are your hobbies?